Okay, YouTube. Well, as you can see, here is a Hoover Mach 5. It is my vacuum again, but it's originally was given to me by some people my dad worked with. Then I had to gave it to my sister to put this vacuum they had that was broke. And just recently, this is starting to give them problems. So I'm practically pulling every little nut, bolt, and screw I can find off to get this separated like that, and see what I can do here to repair it. Because if I do, don't tell my dad, but I'm just gonna keep that past the return warranty, so I can keep it as a nice new vacuum. So heck, this looks like it would be one hectic job just to get the the cord rewind replaced. So heck, I would almost have to go through that much just to replace a simple cord rewind. Wow. Hoover does definitely not have engineering for people like me to work on this. But I'm trying to figure it out here. I want to get this whole motor assembly undone, so I can take it apart enough and get, because I heard it's a thermal sensor more than likely, so I have to take it completely apart. Couple more screws. Actually, I might not have to take this apart. Couple more screws. One in here. Do that. One in here. Do that. One down here. I'll do that. Here. Do that. Did I undo this one? Yep. Okay. So tip this back. 2 screws, 3 screws. Okay. But basically all that's holding this vacuum together is one right here. And I believe that is about all that's holding this two-assembly part together back here. Yep. Looks like I feel it pulling apart already. Also, my grandma pretty much ruined her cell phone today. I'll tell you that in a couple minutes here. As soon as I get this released and find out if there's any more screws to hold it. But doesn't look like it, except oops, sorry for hitting the laptop there. If there is one behind this headlight. Don't think so. Let's see here. Are these all the same? No, headlights. One is different. I'm gonna go ahead and put the headlight assembly back. And no reason to take that out really, now that I look at it. Okay, so obviously this one did not come loose enough, so now dump that over. I can't get this one simple screw to come out. Okay, so now this casing should, something is still holding it. Did I miss one down here or something? gonna go ahead and cut the video here so I don't keep bothering. Well, it's gonna be one heck of a job to get back together. I'll tell you that. Because I got this basically down to the bare minimum of nothing but frame. So I have more than a feeling that the thermal switch has to probably be right on the motor. And quite obviously they did not think too much about somebody having to take this apart to work on it. Because there we go. Now, I don't know where in the heck it would be, but there should be a thermal switch with something in here. See? Pull a cord out, and then there's this little clip here. Brings the tension back. Shoot. Let me look here. I'm gonna cut you guys off for a minute. Let me do some work on my own. I thought I cut you.